Welcome back to Teacher Log class, and this is our discussion for our last minute revision for PSLE, and this is set number I. So let's look at our first question from MGS paper 1, question number 15. So here says that find the value of 2 over 5 divided by 12. Okay, now again, this is basically a proper fraction divide by a whole number. So again, this divide, when we want to make it become times for our calculation, remember that we must flip a fraction. And a very common mistake that students make is they will flip the one in front. This is something that's really, really wrong, and you need to be very careful. So what you are supposed to do is when you divide become times, take note that 12 is the same as 12 over 1, and you always will flip the one after the divide sign. So in this case, it will become 1 over 12. Okay, and you can simplify. 2 and 12 is 1, 6, and answer will be 1 over 30. And that would be your answer. Okay, and we are done for this question. Okay, let's move on to the next question from ACS paper 1 question 15. So Sulin and Tina made some necklace over 2 days, sorry. So Sulin and Tina. So let me just put here, I have Sulin, and I also have a person called Tina. Now, on Monday, Sulin made 17 more necklaces than Tina. So means that if Monday, if Tina made 1 unit, Sulin will be 1 unit plus 17. So 17 more. On Tuesday, Sulin made 30 and Tina made 11. And at the end of 2 days, okay, Tina made 1 over 4 of the total number of necklaces. So now if I have total here and I have total here, let me just total up. So Lin will be U plus 17 plus 30. So it will be U plus 47. Okay. Tina will be U plus 11. And here say what? What Tina made at the end of 2 days, which is this, is 1 over 4 of the total number of necklaces. Which means that this is 1, whereas what is here is actually 4. And of course, you know that here would be 3, right? Because 1, 4, then of course this is 3. So this is 3. Okay? Now, U plus 47 is 3 unit, whereas U plus 11 is 1 unit. So what you actually can do is like this. I want to find what is U, right? So I can do this. I can actually times 3 here, and I times 3 here. Okay, now again, I'm multiplying by 3 because I want to make it the same, and I can actually compare the value. So U plus 47 is equal to 3 times U plus 11. So it will be U plus 47 equal to 3 times U, 3U, 3 times 11, 33. Now I can of course move the unit as you know. So 3U is here, U is here. So I move the U to here. 33 is here, 47 is here. So I move the 33 to here. So it will become 47 minus 33, 3 unit minus 1 unit. So 47 minus 3 is actually 14. 3 unit minus 1 unit is actually 2 unit. So 2 unit is equal to 14. So 1 unit is equal to 7. Now I know 1 unit is equal to 7. Now the question now asks, how many necklaces did Sulin make? Which is what? U plus 47. So U is what? 7. 47, 47. So U plus 47, which means 7 plus 47, which is 54. Okay, so the answer is option number 1. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The figure not drawn to scale shows the net of a cuboid. So the cuboid has a square base, means that this is a square. This is a square. Find the volume of the cuboid. Now, I want to find the volume of the cuboid, and this is a net. So you can imagine actually once I folded it up, it will be something like this. Okay, agree? Okay. Now, here, and here, I know all of it are actually the same. Okay. So, means that this side will be 21 divided by 3 because I have 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So it's 7. So I know here's 7, here's 7, and here's 7, and here's 7, and here's 7. Now, and I can see here, 35 cm is from here plus here plus here. And here, of course, are the same. So 35, I need to minus 7, then I divide by 2. Then I can find what is here, what is here, the length basically. Okay, so that would be 35 minus 7 minus divided by 2, that would be actually equal to 14. Okay, so I know here is 14 and here's 14. So I actually can understand that this would be 14, here will be 7, here will be 7. Okay, then with that, I actually can try to times and find the volume. So 7 times 7 times 14. And if you press on your calculator, which you are not allowed, okay, then we just times manually. So 14 times 7, 7 times 4, 28. 1 times 7, 8, 9. So 98. Then I times 7, 8 times 7, 56. 9 times 7, 63. Plus 5, 68. So 686. So 686 cm cubed. And we're done for this question. Okay, let's move on to our next question. Question 24. Now, here says that a box with 24 eraser has a mass of 0.67 kg. Now, this 0.67 kg is not 24 eraser alone. Again, it's with a box. The same box with 44 similar eraser, which is, they have the same wave, basically means, had a mass of 1.21 kg. Find the mass of one eraser. Okay, so I can actually write like this: box plus 24 eraser is actually 0.67 kg. The same box, one box, plus 44 eraser is actually equal to 1.21 kg. So what I can do is actually I can minus box, disappear. 44 minus 24 equal to 20 eraser. And 1.21 minus 0.67, you should get 0.54 kg. And which means that 20 eraser actually is 0.54 kg. Then one eraser will be what? 0.54 divided by 20. Then you should get 0.027 kg. And that is your answer. Okay? So we're done with this question, and let's move on to our next question here. From Aitong, paper 2, question 60. So here says that Miss Wong received 6120 from selling some bags and some dresses. Okay? Now, she received 3240 more for the bag than dresses. So let me just write down first, okay? So I have bags, I have dresses. So I'm selling both 6120, but she received 3240 more for the bags. 3240, 10 on dress. Okay, and now they're asking how much did Miss Wong receive for the bags? Means that here lah, plus the 3420. Okay, so what I can do is actually I can use 6120 minus 3240. Then I divide by 2 to find out one unit is equal to what first. Then you get actually it's 1440. Then I use 1440 to add back the 3240 to find the bags. 3240, and you get is 4680. Okay, so when you write the answer, don't forget the unit, 4680. Okay, and you're done for part A. So let me just rewrite here on the side to make it clearer. Bags actually cost 4680 in total, and dresses actually cost 1440. Okay, now let's look at B. What's the question for B? How many dresses did Miss Wang sell? Okay, now they're asking dress that's being actually sold. Let me just write here B. Dress that have been actually sold. So the first thing you can see is here. 4 times as many bags as dresses were sold. So let's refer back to this diagram. 4 times as many bags as dresses is being sold. So what I can do is 4 is 1. So I'll try to use 4680 to divide by 4, right? 4680, I try to divide by 4. And that will be equal to 2880. Is it correct? 4680, no, sorry. They'll be equal to 1170. Okay, but you see, even this 4680 divided by 4, you get 1170 here, but here is 1440. Why is there such a difference here? Because, question continue, because each means one, costs 15 more than each bag. Means that this dress in this bag, this one costs, like, let me just use a different one, N costs 15 more than this. That's why there's a difference here. One is 1440, one is 1170. So you want to find what's the difference? 1440 minus 1170. You notice that the difference now is 270. Okay? And the question now here is, why is there such a difference here? Why is there 270 difference here between both of them? It's because of this 15. Okay? So in order to know how many dresses, I actually can just use 270 divided by 15 to see how many that causes this 15 and causes this 270 difference. So 270 divided by 15, and you found the answer is 18. And 18 basically is the one that causes 270. Okay, because 15 difference, I have 18 of such difference, so we become 270. Okay, and we are done for part B. Okay, good. Let's move on. Okay, the last question for this set would be this. Not last question, second last. Okay, so rectangle ACDAF. Okay, A is here. ACDF is shown below. It's made out of a square and a rectangle. So you can see it's a square and this is a rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle ACDF, which is a whole thing, outer part of the whole thing, is 2y plus 15 cm. So the perimeter of the rectangle ACDF is 2y plus 15. And the perimeter of the square ADEF is 16 cm. And now A, find the perimeter of BCDE in terms of y. Give your answer in its simplest form. Now, the perimeter of square ABEF is 16 cm, right? So I have here, 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 and here are the same. So my part A, what I can do is I can use 16 divided by 4. Then I know that each side is 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay? Now, what happened is I also know the whole thing is 2y plus 15. Okay, let me just use here, 2y plus 15. So in order to find here, 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 and here, or at least for here and here and here, what I could do is actually to what? To minus. So 2y plus 15, I can minus 4 for how many times? I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. So I'll minus 3 times. 4 minus 4 minus 4, which is 12 lah, okay? So you get what? 2y plus 15 minus 12. So it will be 2y plus 3. Okay? And but what you found is only here, here, here being here, right? But you haven't have here. And this is 4. So you plus 4. Okay? So 2y plus 3 plus 4. So it'll be 2y plus 7. And that will be the last and final answer for part A. Okay? Because they're asking for B, C, D, E. Okay. So let's move on to the next part, which is part B. Find the perimeter of rectangle BCDE when y is equal to 3. So in simple, they are telling you now, y is equal to 3 now. Find the answer. So B, now y is equal to 3 now. So 2y plus 7 is actually the same as 2 times 3 plus 7. So it's 6 plus 7. And the answer will be 13. Okay. So I think this question is not as difficult as it is, but it's something worth actually to try. Okay, so let's move on to our next question, which is from this iTong paper 2 question 14. Now, a rectangular piece of paper RSVX is folded at two of its corners as shown. So a very important thing, let's try to put all the information in the diagram first. So here, 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 all 90 degree, as you know. Here also 90 degree. And here, this is being folded. So this is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And this diagram initially looks like this. So here is supposed to be 90 degree, here is supposed to be 90 degree. And the angle here and the angle here will be the same, and the angle here and the angle here will be the same. Agree? Okay, so let's look at the question. The question continues, says what? Find angle VUT. VUT, which means here. Okay, yeah, VUT. Okay, now let's continue here. VT is equal to VU. Oh, we know that here and here the same. And of course, you know that if here is 90, here and here will also be the same. So part A basically is 180 you minus 90 because of this 90. Then you divide by 2 because two of them are the same. So the answer will be 45 degree. Okay, done for part A. And part B, find angle XWU. So let's write out first. Angle XWU. So XWU is where? XWU. So it basically angle here. Okay, so in order to find angle here, what we can do is actually to find the angle here first. Because I have a triangle here, right? So I can actually find the angle here first. So what I'll do is I use 180 minus 90 minus 18. So I found the angle that would be 72 degree. So here is 72. Okay, let me just quickly highlight. Here is 72. And what happened is, you know that this is a straight line. And you know these two angles are the same. So what I'll do, 180 minus 72 divide by 2. Why? Again, these two are the same because they are being folded up. So they are the same. So 180 minus 72, then I divide by 2, then I get the answer will be 54 degree. And that will be the final answer. So here will be 54, and of course here will be 54 also. And XWU 54. Okay? Yes, and we are done for this whole set. Okay? So we're done with set number I. And thank you so much for watching this. Again, for students that are doing this, please don't forget to do your correction if you are wrong. Okay? Thank you. See you. Bye bye.